What do you feel is holding people back from finding success in breaking free from pornography?
Comfort. People are too comfortable in their current existence. Um, they're unwilling to step into difficult, unknown territories. So it would be, comfort or just kind of a familiarity with the status quo.
Mm. Yeah, they don't want to, just like you said, don't want to step out. It's easy to stay stuck.
Yeah, the
It's hard to
idea
actually put the work in.
the idea of living a porn free life sounds amazing to every guy struggling with the issue. It sounds like, oh, I'm not going to be held captive or a slave to this lust that I have, or to these thoughts, or to this drug, if we want to call internet streaming pornography, which I like to do. So the idea sounds very compelling to a lot of people. Yeah, that'd be really amazing, because I could truly live my God purpose life. But most men aren't
Yeah.
willing to do like the difficult stuff. They're not willing to develop discipline. They're not willing to create willpower. And I said develop discipline and create willpower, because those are things that you actually have to work towards achieving. They're not just things that you were either born with or born without. So most people aren't willing to do what is necessary to live a life free of porn, and that's just been my opinion.
Yeah.
And we've worked with over 1,100 men, through our various programs to begin to build a life without pornography. And it's very clear marker between the ones that have success and the ones that don't. The ones that have success are they come in it with the willingness to do whatever it takes.